Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to one of my technical tutorials. In this video I am going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Mac. It is really easy and in just a few seconds you will know it too. There are two best ways how to take a screenshot on your Mac, and the first one is taking a screenshot of your entire screen by pressing the combination of keys Shift, Command and number 3. I will do this. This saves the screenshot by default to your desktop. Second way to take a screenshot is to take a screenshot of a specific area. This you can achieve by pressing the combination of keys Shift, Command and number 4. If you press them at once, you will see your mouse cursor changing into a cross. Now drag that cross by selecting the area which you want to take a screenshot of. This saves the screenshot by default to your desktop as well. Now I do this, and here is the result. You can further change it however you want. As you can see, taking a screenshot is a very simple thing to do on your Mac, and now you know it too. If this is the first time you are watching my video or the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to support my work. Please like and comment below. See you soon!